Today is Thursday, December 3rd, 2020, and my people, it's about that time.
Like a boss.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today we are looking at Ripple XRP. I think there may be a big run coming soon for Ripple. So I want to make sure I get this video out to you guys, help you make some money in the markets. You know, we're going to be doing a live technical analysis, looking at some of the recent news articles for Ripple, and most importantly, showing you how you can profit and trade like a boss. So if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, also known as the Crypto Trader. I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you can profit as a result. So subscribe right now, turn your notifications on. And also, if you want to win some free BTC, this is how you do it. We are giving away some live Bitcoin right now. I have a Facebook group, #1 Bitcoin group in the world. There is a link in the description if you want to join it. If you're not a member of that community, come on in. The doors are always open. Every time I do a video, I say share this post to win free Bitcoin. And then yesterday, we had about 20 people in the contest. So 12-3, right? Actually, no, 12-3, 1, 2 is December 3rd. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. Let's go 6 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Danny Dalton almost won it again. 6. Jesus Manuel, my man, you are the winner. So I tell you what, Jesus, do me a favor, shoot me your Bitcoin wallet. You can message me right there on Facebook, and I'll send you a couple bucks BTC as a token of my appreciation. Bam! It's just that easy to get paid, baby. My name is Brandon Kelly, also known as the Crypto Trader. I have the #1 channel on library at Bitcoin on LBRY, the decentralized platform for social media and YouTube and videos. Make sure you check that out. It's uncensored, unrestricted, and of the people, for the people, by the people. We also have a free Telegram group that you can join as well. About 600-700 people in that thing. Come on in. The doors are always open. So let's go ahead and make this money. This is what Ripple looks like. This is XRP's chart going back to the mid-2018, right? You can see this thing took a big hit. I think we're down price now probably, you know, almost 90% off the top, right? And so one of the things you want to do, this is kind of like a macro analysis, is when you go back to say 2019, this has really been a nice little floor for Ripple. You see that green line has served as a nice support area for XRP. I think one of the things you want to note is whenever you have these different areas of agreement, you know, in between the green box where the new energy cycles start, is usually indicative of a, you know, communal psychological price agreement, right? And so now when you move this, you copy and paste it and move it back here, right? Because that was a big bounce right there. Guess what? Now look at this here. This actually becomes the area of resistance, right? So it's like the support becomes the resistance. You see that? And then one more thing you could do is do it one more time. And now we want to bring it over here, right? To the bottom of that one. And that basically gives you this area of support right here. It's a quick area, right? But it's still a pretty confident area of support nonetheless. So one of the reasons I like Ripple right now is when you go back and look at these catch basins, right? This is literally the area of the chart where resistance becomes support, right? So even if we fall through this top line, which was support over here, right? That quick little boom, boom, that quick little pop. You have another one right below it. And that was a major macro line coming here. That was like the beginning of this big run, right? And so Ripple, from a macro perspective, from a psychological communal perspective, is definitely more net positive than it is net negative, especially when you go down here to a 77-minute chart, right? So let's take those lines off of here. Actually, we're going to jump down to a 33. Oh, by the way, I am using the boss method. This is methodology that I have designed personally, and it works quite well. If you want to learn how to trade, you know, like a boss, just type into Google how to trade like a boss and watch that playlist. You will be well on your way to making money in the markets, both now and forever. Right? So this is a 33-minute chart. This is the quick money. This thing only goes back about, 3 or 4 weeks. And one of the things you note right away, one of the things I tell you on this channel, there's 3 parts to any given cycle: breakout, breakdown, flatline. What comes next? Bam! Right? Breakout. And so next thing we want to do is we want to freestyle on a Fibonacci. And this is actually, now what's interesting about this chart, it's different bands in this little run that you can like hook into, right? I think one of the most prominent is this one right here. That's kind of like, this is like our break even point for Ripple again. Look at that, that hook right there, right? That's a very, very, very important strike price. It's about 3,000 Satoshis. As long as Ripple is above that price, we will continue to go higher before we go lower, right? And I think on this next run, you'll probably see Ripple peak out pretty close to there, 4,400, as high as there. 4,800, right? Between 44 and 4,800 should be a very, very, very confident price for Ripple. It's just basically a one-step up extension. If we took this Fibonacci, instead of ending it at this hook, let's say we ended it at that hook, I guess technically you could go as high as that, but that normally doesn't happen. I try to be a little bit more conservative on some of these price trajectories, but scare money don't make none. So let's just even it out right there. Let's say between 4,700 and 5,200 Satoshis on the next run for XRP. This is a very, very good chart. This is actually one of the best charts in the market right now. In fact, it's so good that your boy put it on the profit package. What is the profit package, you might ask? Well, it is the top 7 coins to swing trade every 7 days, right? And if you watched the video, the last video I did 2 days ago, I gave you one of the coins on there. And is it Thursday, December 3rd? I said the wrong day of the week. I'm sorry. I gave you Horizon, right? Horizon is setting up for a major, major run, and XRP is the second coin on that list. So it's 7 coins altogether. I change them every week, the top coins to help you make money in the market. And if you want to sign up for that list, you can actually do so on bossofbitcoin.com. It's $50 for the first month. It's normally $100 a month. And I also have a Black Friday sale that I'm extending through the end of the year for the Boss Alert Messages group. It's normally $250 a month, people. I give it to you for $3.99 for 3 months, a little over $100 a month. Exclusive videos, private community, live market tradings. You see your boy can swing trade, freestyle, you know what I'm saying, and help you cash out like a king. So come on in one of these VIP trading groups. Come on in. The doors are always open. This is what the markets say about XRP. XRP surges 70% as Bitcoin's craze sends investors flocking to smaller cryptocurrencies. The price of Ripple gained as much as 70% on Tuesday, following the rally led by Bitcoin. Institutional investors allocated massive amounts to Bitcoins as a hedge against inflation. Other participants are looking for alternate cryptocurrencies, right? Let's see what they have talked about, right? XRP has been a speculative investment for a long time. Yes, but at least it's an investment, not a liability. The dollar is a liability because inflation, because you have to spend it fast enough, because if you keep it, if you hold it, you lose money, right? That's why there's so, I used to say that's why there's so many senior citizens working at Walmart. Not because they made bad decisions with their life or they just wasn't financially literate, because literally the money that they made during their working years is now virtually worthless. It sucks, right? The top cryptocurrencies have gained momentum over the last week. Ethereum jumped by 30%, Bitcoin by 8%, but XRP led the way with a 70% jump, y'all. That's this big run right here, right? And I just told you, it is not over. As long as we sit north of 3,000, we about to smack our head on 45 to 52, right? Let's see, I think, let's see, they're talking about the technology. The name Ripple plays as a dual role payments exchange and a currency. Designed XRP with the chief aim to perform speedy, inexpensive, and more scalable alternate transactions. And Ripple is very, very good for transferring money, for sending money back and forth. Say, if you have two, exchanges and you wanted to send Bitcoin from one to the other, it's actually like, 10 times faster and 10 times cheaper just to convert it to XRP and send it over. You'll get it probably inside of 10, 15 minutes versus the time Bitcoin takes. Bitcoin is a lot bigger, a lot clunkier, has a lot more nodes around the network that it needs to validate, and therefore more expensive. Ripple is designed to be quick, fast, and convenient, right? Especially for moving money back and forth. That's literally what it's designed for. It's designed to replace the SWIFT network. What is the SWIFT network? Well, that's the network that is used by banks right now. It's a vast messaging network used by banks and other financial institutions to quickly, accurately, and securely send and receive information. Basically, digital money. When they say messaging network, they're talking about ledgers, like communicating the balances, the debits and the credits between huge financial institutions. JP Morgan sends Bank of America $30 million overnight, right? That's the SWIFT network. That's the money that they're doing, right? Bank of America pays Chase Bank $242,319,087 Tuesday, at noon, right? And it just keeps bing, 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 bing. And it's just like ping pong going back and forth, but it's validating the network and communicating the ledgers and the credits and debits. And 11,000 institutions, right, sent approximately 33.6 million transactions per day. And that's what I say, it's crazy, right? So XRP is basically designed to replace that network with a much more secure, much more innovative, and much more financially sound data transmission network. This is really why I think XRP is going up, because the people who are in the know. Flare posts XRP utility fork update warns. They're having a fork, right? Smart contract startup Flare says some XRP investors will need to take actions to ensure they receive their fair share of the upcoming Spark token airdrop. And it's a free airdrop. Flare is expanding the use of the fourth largest cryptocurrency by allowing users to run smart contracts on XRP. This is pretty big, people. This is what, Vitalik was building out with Metropolis and Ethereum. Really, all Ethereum is smart contract for Bitcoin. And now they're building the same for XRP, which is pretty big for the economy, for the ecosystem, and for the industry altogether. The ecosystem's new asset Spark is a governance token that will also be used as collateral to redeem assets in the new ecosystem. According to Ripple's partner, crypto investors who register their XRP in an eligible account will receive a free Spark token 1-to-1 when the blockchain holds the snapshot on what? 12/12 next Friday. But in order to ensure they receive a fair share, Flare says potential recipients who hold their crypto on exchanges have to make sure their exchange supports the airdrop. So what exchanges support the airdrop? Well, I think Kraken is one of them. Kraken definitely supports the airdrop. I just saw that. Let's look it up real quick. What? Right, and basically, essentially, all you need to do, yeah, there you go, right there. Kraken newly announces to XRP holders its support for Spark tokens, so that's good. Coinbase, of course not. They're gonna keep your money. If you got XRP on Coinbase, they're gonna get the money, but they won't give it to you, right? And this was a big thing with Bitcoin Cash. I think they had a big lawsuit. Bitfinex will give you your token, so that's kind of cool. And if you know of any other exchanges, so I know we got Bitfinex, and Kraken, but I'm not sure about Binance. Let's look up Binance. I know they did the Bitcoin Cash. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, Binance got it. Yeah. Binance will support the Spark airdrop program for XRP holders. It'll take place on 12/12 at 12, right? That's kind of cool. At midnight, right? That's cool. There you go. Shout out to Binance. There you go. Right? And so this is a big announcement. And keep in mind, this was made on 11/25, right? When did Ripple have its big jump? On 11/20. So this kind of came as like a validation of the fork, of the support, and of the money, you know, that will be coming as a result, you know, of this big surge and this big move in adoption and usability for Ripple. A lot of people always talk about in mainstream adoption, oh, it doesn't have any real world value. Well, 33.6 million transactions a day says it does. You know what I'm saying? Point blank, period. Right? So that's what I got for you guys. Ripple is definitely looking very strong between right now, December 3rd, December 4th, and 12/12. You could see this thing smack its head on 6,000 Satoshis if you ain't too careful. And these are the kind of trades and the moves that I make in our VIP trading community. So if this interests you, you know, we do have a special $3.99 for the first 3 months. Boss alert messages, I call it BAM! Because everybody is getting paid, baby. I know Thanksgiving just went by, you know what I'm saying? But we got Thanksgiving tomorrow. The next day, I'm passing the gravy, the turkey, the stuffing. I said, pull up a chair, let's sit down and let's get fat together. You know what I'm saying? I want to be one of them rich millionaires, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna have a six-pack, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be the beast in the boardroom, you feel me? I ain't gonna get big and get no yacht. I'm gonna be on the beach running, you know what I'm saying, with about 2 or 3 divas on the sand next to me, right? So that's the way we doing it, man. We create this reality, not vice versa. If you believe, you can achieve, and once you receive, then you believe that, you know, all things are inevitable, and ultimately, I think once you empower yourself with this knowledge, with this usability, with this real world financial transfer, you know, is literally a choice. It's an idea. Bitcoin is nothing more than an idea, but once you accept that idea as true, you can change your life, right? And that's what I'm trying to help you to do. So that's what we have. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't done it already, like this video, share that post in the Facebook group if you want to win some free BTC Ripple bull market. Tell me what you think about this, man. Show me some love in the comments. Let me know what you think Ripple go do. If it's go jump through the roof, if it's go hit his head on the moon, or if it's go fall through the floor. All things are equally unacceptable, right? The profit package is available for you. Horizon and Ripple, top 2 coins on that list. You know what I'm saying? Sign up on bossofbitcoin.com. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out. Boss. Boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Hit that thumbs up button for a player one time. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh.
Like